Let me ask you, do you think violence against Jewish people, which Zionists claim is pure hatred, is actually fueled by personal hatred against us?
No, of course not. I want to be clear that violence against anyone is never allowed. But let me explain this further. The Zionist government cannot sustain itself without anti-Semitism. Zionists need Jewish people to live in constant fear in order for their existence as so-called Jewish saviors should look through. Zionists will always use words such as Holocaust and pogroms to describe incidents that don't even apply to Jewish people, but strictly to the Israeli government. Also, Zionists are working day and night to merge the identity of Judaism and Zionism into one. They need Jews to be responsible for their action, or else they cannot use anti-Semitism as a shield. They'll always say it's about all the Jewish people, not Israel, to get us to pay. We see this in the streets of Europe and now also in America. It must be stopped. Zionists are working for their selfish agendas at the expense of Jewish people.